Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your camera problem in your iPhone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel and like our video, so let's start friends. First you have to open your camera, then you have to click on settings. So to reset it, you have to click on the settings of your camera. Here it is. You have to go to settings, scroll down, apps, scroll down, and here you have to find camera, and here you can see, just type over here also camera, and you can just clear catch it by removing it from here, and you can see it will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our video. Thanks for watching.